Welcome to the Escapists2. Let's take this again. And thank you all for the amount of subscribers I have now. 10. Now, to some of you that might not be big, but for me, that's very big. Now you're probably wondering what I'm doing. Well, obviously putting Russian hats on everything. Because why not? Can't put them on the police officers, oh well. Let's start. Start game. Now, while this is loading, I'll talk about a lot of things. A couple of reasons why I haven't been posting much. One, all my video files got corrupted. Two, the ones for my iPad died. Like, I can't send them out anymore. They would corrupt right at the end. And three, my video recorder's been playing up, so I can't upload as quick. So, yeah. I think Saturdays, I'm pretty sure this is. I think. Yeah, Saturdays, I will do the Escapists. I think Saturdays and Sundays, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're here. Let's go. My cell was down there earlier. Down in that section. But, I don't know what I did. All I know is it was fun. So I just accidentally hit someone. So hey, roll call. Let's go. Canteen. Woo. Food. Everyone just runs in.
Alright, I'm not going to seal this because you're bound to have a look at something and see the door.
Okay. Oh, I'm here. When you get that's it. You guys are fighting each other. I'm not doing anything. Oil. Personally, I would go swimming in my free time. But right now, let's find myself. Who's this? Okay. Oh, let's take this. Okay. Let's go quick. Which was my room? Let's see. I think it was this one. Nope. That's not mine. It's not mine. Alex's desk, not even that mine. I think this one's mine. Nope, not this one. It would be this one then. This one. Here we are. Okay, so that's good. Let's take that. Nails, some wood, some more nails. Press C. Boom, boom, boom.
Yep.
Nope.
Molly, you better plan on.
Nope. So what if I just put a stick in there? Nails? Nope. Yeah. Okay, so that doesn't work. Take some nails. I can make some tea. I think. Who knows? God damn it. I don't think I can do anything like that. Okay. Put everything away. Hope for the best. If you guys can recommend stuff to me and all that. He's got a room. Free time. Okay. I just realized there's a map. This is the security office, so if I take out all these guards, I'll be good to escape. Free time. What's this guy got? Lunchtime. Crap, he's in my thing. Can't go in because they're at my. Wee. That's cool. I don't care if I'm late. Do I look like I care? You're late to me. Do I honestly care? It's not like I'm gonna do anything. Oi. And there's a fight. Oil. Oh, well, I just have some food now. Job time. I don't have a job. Let's go have a job. Let's follow the arrow. Okay. Alright. You're pathetic. How rude. Just without a job, you're nothing. Thank you. You rude person. Can I have a job, please? I want to get a job. Please. You would like of the job. Well, I would. I'm gonna just keep walking around. Yeah, I can't do my job because they won't give me a job. What do I do, guys? As much as I can. So, can I have a job? Please. Is 3? Oh no. Oi, lady. Oi, give me a job. Damn it, exercise time. Imagine doing exercise. Q. No. Wait. I don't understand what I'm doing. So it'd be Q E Q E Q E Q E Q E Q Q E Q Q E. Nice. Let's go. Let's try and get to the next one. Okay. Shower time. I'm just following the guards. I don't know what I'm doing. Make sure we don't drop the soap. Shower. It's so weird, everyone just wearing a Soviet hat. Except this one guy, which I need to kill. So I think this guy's dead. I'ma just... Oh yeah, I'm up. Let's go down. Dinner time! Hopefully tomorrow let's get a job. Okay. I'm having... I don't know what's going on, neither do I care. I'm the only good Russian. All of these are green hat. I'm a silver hat. Or grey, I don't know. Use medic. Medic just comes running in, like, yeah, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Now I'll help these guys. How rude. I was about to help him. Free time. Nice. Let's try and get a job. If I know how to get a job. Yeah! Okay. So, let's go see if there's a job, please. I would like of the job. That guy opened the door. Let's see. Wait, can I enter this door? Ah. When she opens it, it doesn't work for me. That's sad. Yeah, I really want a job. Oh. It's here. Oh, God, why? No, damn it. No! No! My recording. My recording. Nope. God damn it. Oh no, I'm still recording. Oh, thank Christ. Where is he? That's painting. Requirements not meet. God damn it. Everyone's got a job. Shoemaking, painting. Need to get. Don't mix up the talks. I need to do all that. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do that as soon as. So I'll work out. Gee. I don't know my strength. Oh, that's it. Let's go.